This is the story of the girl who drew the rain. Once, the world forgot how to rain. The sky stayed still, and silence settled over the dust. But one little girl remembered the color. She painted with ash, with tears, with hope. They called her foolish, painting clouds when the world had forgotten water. When her final stroke was done, the wind came to watch. From her painted sky fell a single drop, the first the world had seen in 1,000 days. Some dreams, when drawn with faith, it will awaken the sleeping world. And so, the rain remembered her name. Subscribe to our channel. More stories coming soon.